Hello everyone, welcome to Soft's classes. I'm Radhima. So here we are solving the questions from the ISI QROR 2023 question paper, and in front of you is question number 13. So the question reads, let A be a 4 cross 4 upper triangle matrix with diagonal entries as -1, 1, half and minus half. Then the A inverse will be how much? So let us write down our matrix A as per the question, right? So according to the question, our matrix A is, first of all, we have to fill up the diagonals. What are the diagonal entries? -1, 1, half and minus half. Now we have only upper entries, right? Upper triangle, that is 1, 2, 3. There will be some values, 1, 2, some value and 1. So this is the upper triangle with some value, and the lower triangle will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this is our matrix. Now, in order to find out A inverse, so we have to find out the characteristic equation, and hence from there we will find out the A inverse. Now, how can I find out the characteristic equation? So let us say, in order to find out the characteristic equation, we know that determinant of A minus Ix is equals to 0. So what is the determinant of A minus Ix? That is Ix. First of all, let us understand Ix. Ix is basically x 0, 0, 0, 0, x 0, 0, 0, 0, x 0 and 0, 0, 0, x. This is our 4 cross 4 Ix matrix, right, with the value x. So what will be our A minus Ix determinant here? That is -1 minus x 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus x 0, 0, 0, 0, half minus x 0, 0, 0, 0, minus half minus x. But this is 0. So if we expand this using the first column, first row, what do we get? We get -1 minus x into 1 minus x into half of 1 minus x into half of x. This is equal to 0. So this is our, as you can see, A plus B, A minus B. So this is A square minus B square. Again, this is A plus B, A minus B. So this is x square minus 1 by 4. So if we simplify, we have x square minus 1 into 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. That is our quadratic equation here will be, now let's multiply, that is 4 into x to the power 4 minus 4x square. No, this is only x square. So x square into 4x square, that is 4x to the power 4 minus x square minus 4x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes our 4x to the power 4 minus 5x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Now, so if we put the determinant in place of this, we have 4a4 minus a square plus a is equal to 0. Now multiply this with a inverse. So this becomes 4a cube minus 5a plus I is equal to 0. Sorry. Yes. Right. Now, so what we have to find out is this is I. So if you multiply this, this is A inverse. So from here, A inverse is equal to 5A minus 4A. This should be the answer. Do we have this in our options? Yes, 5a minus 4a cube. Next question. So the next question here given, it reads, for the differential equation d2y by dx square plus 2d by dx plus y is equals to 0, it is given that y is equals to 0 and dy by dx is equals to 1 when x is equals to 0. So this is one of the condition given. So at the x is equals to 0, y will be 0 and the first derivative will be 1. So what should be the value of y when x is equals to 1? Interesting question. So let us first write down the differential equation that is given, right? That is d2y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y. d2y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equals to 0, right? Right. So this we can write it down as d square plus 2d plus 1y is equals to 0. That implies d square plus 2d plus 1 is equals to 0. So solving this, we will get d is equals to minus 1 minus 1. That is equal roots. So with equal roots, then the solution of y will be y is equals to a plus bx e to the power minus x. Now let us use the condition given in the question. What are the conditions that are given? The condition given is, if x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 0. So that means 0 is equals to a plus b into 0 e to the power minus 0. So from here we have 0 is equals to a. So the value of a is 0. Another condition given is, if x is equals to 0, then dy by dx is equals to 1. So if this is y, how much is our dy by dx? So dy by dx is equals to e to the power minus x into b plus a plus bx into e to the power minus x into minus 1. Correct? Now we have to put x is equals to 0 and dy by this. These are the equations. So 1 is equals to with x is equals to 0, right? So we have this is 1 is equals to e to the power minus 0 into b plus a plus b into 0 e to the power minus 0 minus 1. So 1 is equals to, this is b, this is a into minus 1. Now this is already 0, we know, so b is equals to 1. That means we have got our solution, y is equals to b into e to the power minus x as a is equals to 0. Now we are given, okay, again a is 1, so that means y is equals to e to the power minus x. So since a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1, so this is our final solution for y. Now in the question you are asked, if x is equals to 1, then what is the value of y? So obviously the value of y is e to the power minus 1, and that is our answer, that is e to the power minus 1. So let's check our options. A is number 15 is, we are given dy by dx is equals to fx and d2y by dx square is equals to gx, and we have to find out d2x by dy square. So let us first write down that is dx by dy. Dx by dy can be written as 1 by dy by dx. Now let us differentiate this with respect to y. So we get d2x by dy square is equals to minus of 1 by dy by dx whole square and dy of dy by dx. Correct? Now let us multiply and differentiate and divide dx by dx. So now this can be written as minus 1 by dy by dx whole square into d dx of dy by dx divided by dy by dx. Correct? Now, so minus d2y by dx square divided by dy by dx whole cube, right? 2 into 1, so whole cube. This is our d2x by dy square. Now we are given these values. So from the question we know that d2y by dx square is gx and dy by dx is fx. So this becomes minus of gx. So this becomes minus, numerator is gx by denominator is fx whole cube, and this is our answer. Let us see the options. So the option is gx by fx cube. That is D. D is our correct answer.